Now that you know how mechanical drawing is used and you have studied the theory of shape description, your next job is to learn how to put your ideas on paper. Suppose you wanted to draw this bracket. You would not have the bracket itself to work from, but only the specifications, and you might have a dimensioned pictorial sketch. You know you will need the top, front, and right side views. But first, study the planes of projection to see how these views must be placed. Notice that projection lines creating the top view can in turn be projected on the front plane. That is, they have their images on the front plane. Projection lines creating the front view have their images on the top plane. When the planes are open, these images become continuous parallel lines connecting the two views. This means that the top view must be placed above the front view in line with it, and that the width appearing on the front view and on the top view can be projected by parallel lines from one view to the other. In the same way, projection lines creating the side view have their images on the front plane, while projection lines creating the front view have their images on the right side plane. So, of course, the front and side views will be connected by parallel lines, and on the drawing paper, the height can be projected from one of these views to the other. The depth can be transferred from the top view to the side view, or the reverse, because the depth is the same in both views. The three views have this definite relationship to each other because the planes of projection are mutually perpendicular. Your first step is to lay out the height, which will be the same on the front and side views. Then lay out the width for the front and top views. Lay out the depth on the top view and transfer it to the side view. Always develop the views together. From your specifications, find out the width of the vertical portion, shown here as W1, and draw this width on the top view and front view. Also from specifications, find out the height of the base, shown by the small h, and draw this height on the front and side views. The curved surface and the hole have one center. Since you know its height, measure this height from the bottom line of the side view and use it to locate the center for the hole and the curved edge midway between the vertical lines of the side view. Draw horizontal and vertical center lines through the center on the side view. Project the horizontal center line to the front view and draw the center line for the hole on the front view. Draw the center line on the top view to locate the hole. Then you can draw the hole and the curved edge on the side view. Project the hole to the front view and draw the hole with hidden lines on the front view. Measure the hole on the side view and transfer these measurements to the top view. Then draw the hidden lines for the hole on the top view. From specifications, find out the width and the depth where the corner is cut off. Locate the cut-off corner on the top view and project it to the front view. Measure this edge of the object on the top view and transfer this distance to the side view to show its depth there. When you have finished construction, strengthen the outlines of all the views. You have been able to make this drawing because you know that you need orthographic views, in this case, front, top, and right side views, and that each view must be an exact picture of the object as you see it from that direction. You know also that the projection planes are mutually perpendicular, and that images of the projection lines will become parallel lines connecting the three views when the planes are opened. You know that you must construct your drawing so that the views have this relationship. Then you can project points or dimensions from one view to another, and when a dimension appears in two views, you can transfer it from one to the other. With this knowledge, you are able to construct three views that describe the shape of the object completely. When dimensions and notes have been added, your drawing will become a working drawing, and a blueprint made from it will provide a copy for use in the shop. Remember that the views are developed and carried along together, that each view represents the entire object as it looks from that direction, that the language of a drawing must be, first of all, clear, accurate, and easy to read, that the test of every drawing is a question. Does it give the workman all the information he needs?